Hello, welcome to foodpix.com. I am Zinia. Today we will prepare very traditional Bengali Masoor Dal. Let's see what all ingredients we need for that. Half cup soaked Masoor Dal, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger garlic, pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 green chilies, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves, salt as per your taste. Let's start. First, heat a cooker with 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil is hot enough. Add cumin seeds, crushed ginger garlic, green chilies, chopped onion. Saute it till onions are little brown. When onions are little brown, add chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, salt, mix them nicely, add 2 cup water, keep it on high flame, bring it to boil. When water starts boiling, add your Masoor Dal. You can soak your dal for 10 to 15 minutes, cover it and cook it on medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, we will reduce the flame, cook it for 5 minutes on low flame, then we will open it. We have cooked it on low flame for 5 minutes. Now turn off the gas and allow the steam to escape, then we will open it. Let's open it. Dal is cooked well. Now keep it aside and we will prepare our tadka. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil. When oil is hot enough, add dry red chilies, add cumin powder, add this to our dal. Cook it for 1 or 2 minutes on medium flame and keep stirring. Dal is ready. Let's take it out from flame. Let's serve it. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Traditional Bengali Masoor Dal is ready. Enjoy it with hot rice or chapati. For more recipes, log on to foodpix.com. Thank you.